This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power passenger seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a security system, front fog lights, dusk sensing headlights, a folding rear seat, and a rear spoiler. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Woody Sander Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 235 West Mitchell Avenue in Cincinnati.